Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you for joining me today. Today's Stamping Up project is a gift card holder. Great for those last minute gifts for this time of the year, and it features the Wishes and Wonders stamp set and the North Pole dies. They are both featured in the August to December mini catalogue from Stampin' Up. So has a little belly band there, opens up this way with the gift card going right in the center there, and it is super easy to make. And what I like about it is that it uses up your scraps of designer series paper. So if you're anything like me, you've got lots of little pieces left over that you don't really want to throw away, so this is a good way to use them up. So bring in a piece of cardstock to start with, and this one is I'm using thick Whisper White, and it measures 10 inches by 4 1/4 inches. I will put all the dimensions at the bottom of this video in centimeters and in inches. So you're going to score on that 10-inch side at 3, 4, 5 and 8. Bring in your bone folder, score all of those, use your bone folder to score those lines, those fold lines. Now you've got one piece here that goes, those two narrow ones in the middle, they are the ones that come together. So very quickly, that's how it folds up. So if I just show you again, those are the score lines you just made, those two in the middle, come up together like this, and then you'll be applying some tape underneath there. So just like that. So we'll put the tape in now. Now you need to put a strong adhesive. I'm using Stampin' Seal Plus. You could use your liquid glue or your tear and tape. It has to be something strong. So they fold up. Okay, and that's where the gift card's going to go. So we're going to put some tape down there. But before we do that, let's put our all our little pieces of designer series paper on here. Now you'll need 3 pieces of designer series paper that measure 4 inches by 2 3/4. So here, here, and then again on that one. And then another small piece for the middle here. You can leave that middle piece blank if you like, but I'm going to put a piece, something on there. And then one for the top here as well. I will put all the details of the all the measurements down below. So I'm just going to use my Tombow for this, because I think it just makes it a bit easier to adhere the paper when you are. So we're going to put this one on first before we do anything else. And then I'm going to try and get that as straight as I possibly can. She says, hopefully. I'm going to put this one on now as well. I'm using the designer series paper from the Heartwarming Hugs. I had quite a little bit of that left over. Whoops, managed to get some glue on there now. Just wipe that off my hands. So I don't really want any smudges on here. Okay, and then the other piece for the bottom one. Just put that on there. I'm trying to line it up so it looks okay. Yeah, that's okay. And then your tape is going to go right here. So just on the edges, alright? Not all the way across, otherwise you won't be able to get your gift card in. Just enough. So tear and tape, liquid glue, something that's going to be strong to hold it. There you go. And then your gift card will go right in there. I have managed to get a little bit of glue on there, which is no good, but anyway, it does happen from time to time. I'm sure I can get that off. And the rest of the designer series paper one, I'm just going to use is, obviously I'm using a different side for this one here. And that on there. It's very pretty paper. You can use, like I said, any paper out of your stash. And at this time of the year, we generally all have quite a bit of paper that we just don't really know what else to do with. And this is a great way to use it up. There. It's done. I'll just set that to dry over here, and I'll show you how I made that belly band. So I used a couple of dies, which I've already gone ahead and die cut, from the, I keep forgetting the name of this one, the North Pole dies. So this big one here, which I absolutely love, and the scallop circle on the foil, that's actually I've got real red gold foil, real red foil paper, which is in our August to December catalogue, and the little moose, which I've gone ahead and stamped already. He's hiding in here, and I've stamped him in soft suede. So I'm going to do a little bit of stamping on this little tag here. When I discover where I put the tag. It was here a minute ago. Here it is. And I'm using this stamp right here from the Wishes and Wonder stamp set. I love that image. I'm going to use Pear Pizzazz and just do some random stamping. Random stamping on the tag here. Go. That is a very, very pretty stamp. Very pretty stamp. Some dimensionals to attach the foil circle. A couple of dimensionals to pop our little deer on. Probably should have used the mini ones, but they are not. Whoops, they are not to hand at the moment. Sorry, just about knocked the camera out of the way and knocked the light out of the way. Put it on there. And I have used some of the linen thread just to make that bow. You don't have to obviously decorate it all like this. If you wanted to make it a lot quicker, you can just pop the belly band on there, even just with the designer series paper if you wanted to. I just, I like to do those, all those extra embellishments. It makes me happy. I'm not sure if you can hear, but my neighbour decided to start mowing the lawn basically the minute after I started the video. Great timing. Never mind, everyone has to do it. Now the belly band is a piece of Mossy Meadow cardstock, and that measures 8.5 inches by 1, and all I've done is just wrap it round. Wrap it round, that's it. And you want it relatively snug, but not so snug that it won't come off, but you want to be able to, you don't want it to be too loose either. Yeah, that's good. And then just a couple of dimensionals straight onto here. Tag on there. Whoops. Done. Done. I like this. I really like this little gift card holder. It's easy to make. That's the one I made. earlier, and then this is the one I've just made, and this one's all dry now. Put that on there, and we are done. Oops. I might have made that belly band a little bit too snug. Possibly. There we are. There it goes. There it is. All done. So there you have it. Quick and easy gift card holder using Stampin' Up products. All the products I've used are listed in the description bar below, as well as all of the dimensions. If you would like to know anything more, please don't hesitate to contact me. And thank you very much for watching today. Bye.